Here are two popular drop two moves you may or may not know. First one, second one, yeah. So I'll play it slowly, break it down, and then show us application of it. So the first one is this. I'll do that again, slower. Second one is this. I'll do it again. Yeah, so those are two drop two moves. Let me show you one application of it in this popular song. Let's go. Then you can do. So normally for this easy, you do. Then that's what you normally do. 6, 2, yeah. So you're replacing this move with the drop to move. Sorry. Yeah, so I'll break that down now. So normally I just did the melody, nothing fancy. I'm just trying to keep it simple. Then I brought in the move. Then this. Yeah, so that's basically just it's a very short tutorial, and I hope this is helpful. You can find other ways to apply it, and make sure you do this exercise on all the keys so that you can throw it in on any key you're in, right? So it's a very simple one, very short tutorial. So thank you guys, keep practicing, and see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe.